We want to continue encouraging them na pia tuwasaidie even niposa in future waweze kupata pia nafasi za kucheza professionally kama vile tunaonanga Premier League and the likes. So and I'm happy that even the introduction of grade 10 now that it has a speciality of sciences, arts and sports, that you can be able to start nurturing the talent early enough so that by the time they are coming out to the community or they can be able now to become professional footballers.
Kama vile serikali imetenga pesa ya nyota, pia vile kama tungeweza tengewa pesa ya sporti mashinani, that way we are able to nurture a lot of talents that is lying out here, na tungeweza kutuma hata vijana wengi kule nje.
Tunakula upon kama Mweshi venye amejitokeza hivi, unapata ametutolea tona na tunafurahia sana, of which tungependa bado zizidi kukam more na more, na bado tuta appreciate.